Hello everyone, welcome back to Vishwaksena Beginners World. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. I'm also doing well. The goal of early childhood education is to activate the child's own natural desire to learn. We offer children an authentic Montessori learning experience, a personalized approach that treats them as unique individuals. Our primary environment is a colorfully prepared, purposeful, and aesthetic learning space that is rich in motifs to elicit self-directed activity and an inner desire to learn. In our mixed age group primary environment that spans the age group of 3 to 6 years, children are free to learn skills and concepts collaboratively or individually via scientifically designed Montessori materials. Activities such as shoe polishing, pourings, sieving, needling, braiding, and gardening are just few examples of what children work on. Today we are going to know about how to sieve. So sieving is a process which we will do in day-to-day life. The solids used in this lesson are betel nuts and some suji. They work very well with this sieve, which came from Montessori services. The objective of this activity is an activity that we all do in our daily lives and will help child to master the task of sieving. Materials required are 1 tray, 1 sieve, little quantity of suji or rava, betel nuts, 1 bowl, dustpan and brush or the cleaning cloth. So let us start this activity. Begin by pouring the suji into the bowl of betel nuts. Mix them together using the spoon. I must say it was so glad to find a way to incorporate stirring. My son loves to stir and wants to all the time when he is in the kitchen with me. Take 1 spoon of suji into the sieve. And it is 1 spoon or 2 spoons, your point of interest. I am initially presented the use of sieve by gently shaking it side to side. However, my son ended up by shaking it more up and down. I found the easiest way for the child is to have to dominate hand hold the sieve and gently tap the sieve against the other hand over the bowl. The suji and the betel nuts are separated now. Using the sieve, slowly pour the suji back into the other bowl. Place the bowl and the sieve back into the tray. Do not spill the suji on the floor. If the suji are spilled, pick them with using a cleaning cloth or the brush and the dustpan. Place the materials back where you have taken. So this is an activity which goes very well during the Montessori method of learning. The child will know how to separate the materials, the mixed materials, and also the child will know which is the smallest material and which is the largest material.